interesting panel on the use of analytics in and beyond the legal space. And so data analytics helps us get at insights within information much more quickly and more accurately than we've ever had before. And so it helps us understand our client's position faster, regardless of what area of law we work in, because information is our most fundamental input and our most fundamental output as a lawyer. And so understanding how information is created and to get insights from that data is really what it's about, being an information age lawyer. Analytics are really powerful because taking a bunch of examples of something, we can build models to predict whether something is in or outside of that model, which usually means we can predict human conduct. And that's really interesting when it comes to the provision of public and private goods. And so the economic impact of having access to goods and services are largely being determined by these algorithms. But it also means these algorithms have to be built well and based on good information, so that you can introduce bias into these algorithms, you're going to get bad answers out of it. And so we as information advisors need to understand how decisions are being made and the information that goes into these algorithms, and especially the effect of them, so that we can be the best advisors we can in the information age. This has always been one of the preeminent conferences, and I enjoy it for that reason because there's so many of the really forward-thinking professionals who are here. And so to me, I think we're finally beginning to understand that it's not all the information that we need to make legal decisions. It is the most relevant information, and we're getting very good at finding that information. And I think that what we're going to see is a continued increase in our ability to get at information that gives us the most insight into our client's conduct. So I think it's going to actually speed up our ability to resolve cases. The maturing of the eDiscovery world is something that we've been pushing for a long time, because we as lawyers in the information age simply have to understand how to get at the facts that relate to our clients, and those facts are largely within electronic information. And so we have to understand where it lives and how to get at it and how to get the facts out of it, because that's really what determines what our client's position is. There's a convergence going on in the technological space that's there's a lot of different companies who are working on how to get insight out of data from different perspectives, whether it's content management or information governance or eDiscovery, and we're starting to see a convergence in that space, because the insights that we get out of eDiscovery about how and why companies do what they do can be used for business insight and knowledge management and business process optimization. And that's where I'd like to see we eDiscovery attorneys evolve into, as becoming more information attorneys and not just merely for eDiscovery. I think the biggest challenge that we're going to face next is a whole new era of information. We've gotten really good at getting SharePoint sites and Office documents and email. We've gotten really good at handling that. But there's a whole new layer of data coming with Internet of Things and wearables and ingestibles and all the other others that we're starting to deal with that we don't have the technology to deal with yet, that are going to become increasingly important in eDiscovery, and I think that's our next challenge.